Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Hit That Button. So today guys, I'm going to be doing the times tables again, like I did in that other video. So I'm going to click on it right here, and today we're going to be doing 10 times table. So I'm going to click on here, then I'm going to press play. So 11 times 10 is 110, 7 times 10 is 70, 11 times 10 is 110, 12 times 10 is 120, 4 times 10 is 40, 10 times 10 is 10, 10 times 10 is 100, 2 times 10 is 20, 10 times 10 is 100, 3 times 10 is 30, 4 times 10 is 40, 6 times 10 is 60, 5 times 10 is 50, 7 times 10 is 70, 6 times 10 is 60, 5 times 10 is 50, 11 times 10 is 110, 6 times 10 is 60, 3 times 10 is 30, 6 times 10 is 60, 2 times 10 is 20, 8 times 10 is 80, and so you can see guys here it says your time is up. You scored 23 out of 23. Brilliant, a perfect score. So guys, that's the end of the video. So like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out any of my new videos. Goodbye.